Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech. This is Kevin. We're continuing this series here in New York City. On my left is the NBA flagship store. So enter everything about the NBA: jerseys, shirts, jackets, jogging pants, shoes. You can find them here. Then you have the Leeds shop, which sells those jerseys, jackets, and everything. Not only for basketball, but for different kinds of sports. So it's quite famous here. Actually, if you look ahead, you would see the top of the Empire State. So we're actually nearby. But where we are going is to the Grand Central Terminal, because it's a one of the famous landmarks here in New York City. So we came all the way from Broadway. So from West 50th Street, we walk all the way to East 50th. Then we make a right. Here it's in the 5th Avenue. And then when we reach 44th Street, we made a left. So if we go straight from here, we will reach the Grand Central Terminal. So if you're a tourist here, yeah, just remember the streets, and then definitely you will find Grand Central Terminal. So, excuse me. Yep, so you can see there's a lot of people here. Really a touristy place. The price of renting a hotel room here is really expensive. In 2019, we stayed at the Crown Plaza just beside Times Square, and we really spent a lot. So this time around, what we did was we stayed in New Jersey. New Jersey is just very close to New York City. I mean, in Manhattan, you just need to cross the river, so it's not that far off, and the price of the hotels there are way cheaper than here in New York City, in Manhattan actually. So yeah, we're saving a lot on hotels this time around. Yeah, if you're coming back here in New York, you can consider that, renting a hotel outside of Manhattan. We checked Queens is also expensive, so that's why we decided to stay somewhere in New Jersey. I mean, it's good if you're driving, because for me, we drove all the way from New England and we're driving in here to Manhattan. Traffic here can be really bad, but when we arrived here, it was not that bad actually. Perhaps the rush hour is over when we arrived around 11 in the morning or 10 in the morning. So I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.